Hi, welcome to YSchool. In previous video we have learned about cosine law. So let's learn one more important law, that is law of tangents. In this video we will learn about tangent law, or simply Tan's law. Tangent law. It is the relationship between the tangents of two angles of a triangle in the lengths of the opposing sides. From tangent law, we have relations. Don't know how to prove this? I will help you. First of all, let's draw a triangle ABC with sides A, B and C. Here, using sine law. Then after cancelling 2r from all. Watch the steps carefully. We have used the simple formula, nothing much. After doing that all, we got tangent law. For better understandability, derive the rest formulas. Try yourself. In which case should you use tangent law? It can be used in any case where two sides in the included angle, or two angles in a side, are known. Side angle side case. Let's do a question based on this law. Question number 1. In any triangle ABC, A equals 52, B equals 28, C equals 80 degrees. Find remaining angles and side. Solution. Using tangent law. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to be updated.